Strips Wheels Ltd, an automotive wheels manufacturer. The market cap of the company is 3,612 crore rupees and currently trading at 230 rupees per share. The company has a 37% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 103% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company was incorporated in the year 1991. They are based in Chandigarh with more than 1,700 employees and 5,000 workers. Company has 5 manufacturing plants located in Punjab, Chennai, Gujarat, and Jharkhand with a total production capacity of 23 million wheels per annum. Company has secured strategic partnerships with South Korea-based Carling Corporation Limited, Japan-based Nippon Steel and Sumitomo Metal Corporation, and India-based Tata Steel. 3 main products of the company are steel wheel rims, alloy wheel rims, and hot rolling mill, which is backward integrated for steel wheels. The market share of the company in passenger vehicles segment is 45%, 53% in trucks, 44% in tractors, and 30% in 2 and 3-wheelers segment. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There is no significant drop in promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company, which are increasing from quarter to quarter. Japan-based Nippon Steel and Sumitomo Metal Corporation holds 5% equity, and Tata Steel holds about 7% equity of the company. Some clients of the company are Ford, Nissan, Fiat, Mahindra, Jaguar, Hyundai, Honda, BMW, Maruti Suzuki, and more. Coming to some key highlights. In January 2024, company acquired AMW Auto Component to strengthen its truck and tractor wheel segment. The current production capacity of the company is 23 million wheels per annum. There are plans to add a capacity of 7 million steel wheels and 1.8 million alloy wheels per annum by the end of fiscal year 2024. Company exports to more than 19 countries like US, Germany, Canada, UAE, Japan, Australia, and more. With revenue concentration of 7% from exports and 93% from domestic. Tata Steel holds about 7% equity in the company, which is a positive sign. This has been a quick analysis of Strips Wheels Ltd. Please share and like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.